guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Going to learn to make hair growth oil, which plays very important role in everyone's life. We all know that most of the men and women have noticed mild psychological thinning of hair starting in their 30s and 40s. But if we look at the today's era, then we will notice that even teenagers face hair fall issues. So, what are the things we can do over here? Today, I'm going to show you to make one of the best and guaranteed hair oil which is going to cure your hair fall. In order to make this hair oil, you'd require this magical ingredient. I know you are quite confused, but I will show you picture of this. The hanging roots of banyan tree. Banyan tree symbolizes strength and longevity. In ancient Indian science of Ayurveda, banyan roots have immense medical properties in hair care. Banyan tree is also known as wish fulfilling tree, and you can quickly identify them via its broad leaves and aerial roots. Its different parts like as barks, latex, leaves, the result in numerous advantages on skin, hair, and health. For centuries, banyan tree has been used for better hair growth. Its roots can minimize hair fall by strengthening hair follicles. So, in order to make this oil, I have taken hanging roots of banyan tree. Then you require clean glass bottle and one more thing which is very important is coconut oil. I have taken Dabur Anmol Gold coconut oil. So guys, without wasting any time, let's make this oil. But before that, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button down and do hit the like button. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start by making this oil. First, I'm going to take these roots. So this is how bottle will look like when you put hanging roots of banyan tree in glass bottle. Remember that you have to put roots very carefully in this bottle and you have to make sure that you are using glass bottle only. Don't use plastic bottle to make this oil. Now I'm going to take coconut oil and now I'm going to pour oil in this. I'm going to empty the whole bottle this oil. You will able to see oil. Now I'm going to close the lid of this bottle and I'm going to keep this oil for 8 days. Banyan tree is not only useful in improving the health of the skin but also increases healthy hair growth. All of you have to do to make use of banyan leaves and prepare natural oil to massage your scalp to improve the growth of hair. When treating your hair with this oil, it will be helpful in regenerating the new strength of hair. It has antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Banyan tree could do its best in controlling the hair related issues. So use the extract if you face issues like gray hair, then you can use this hair oil. But remember that you have to make this oil first and you have to keep some patience so that you will able to get benefit of this oil. So I am going to keep this oil at least for 8 days. But if you want richer nutrient, then but if you want to keep it for 15 days, then you are free to do that. After 8 days, I am going to show you how this oil looks like. Trust me guys, if you face issues like hair fall, hair thinning, baldness, grey hair, then make this oil at home. Instead of spending your money on expensive products, it's better to stay to natural products only. I have been using this product for 3 months and it has really changed my life. If you want natural and guaranteed home remedy oil, then instead of using those chemical oils from the market, it's better to stick to natural oils. But you have to make use of things which are available in the nature. If you want, you can add fenugreek seeds in this. But if I'm getting all the nutrients which my hair want for better hair growth, I'm getting better results with this two ingredient, then I'm going to stick with this oil. You are facing slow hair growth, you are a busy person, then on Saturdays you can apply this oil overnight and on next day, that is on Sunday, you can wash your hair with normal water. When you will use this oil, then I do recommend you to go with the mild shampoo only and to get rid of the oil present in your hair. Hey guys, once you start using this oil, in 1 month only, you are going to see result with your own eyes. Do make this oil at home. Directly, don't apply this oil to your hair. If you want, you can do that, but I recommend you to keep this oil at least for 8 days and then what next step we can do to make this oil rich in each and everything which is going to increase your hair growth in a much faster and better manner and which is going to solve your hair thinning problem which we have made. I'm going to keep this oil at least for 8 days and then after 8 days I'm going to show you what extra thing we can do with this oil. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to hit that like button. If you have any queries, then do let us know in the comment section below. That's all in this video guys. Thank you.